Alright, delivery.
Hello, my name is Mark. Welcome to my channel, Camp Lapidary. And in this box that I'll be opening is my foam mattress for my cargo trailer build. I purchased it from the Foam Factory online. About $100. I spent about $100 on this foam mattress, and it's 4 inches thick by twin long size, and I will be cutting it down to 30 inches by 75 inches. It was cheaper to buy it a bigger size and just cut it myself than to have them cut it down for me. So this way I'm actually going to get a couple of extra pieces, like a long piece that'll be about 9 inches and another end piece, and maybe I can make some cushions or something like that. Maybe it'll be useful in some way. So that's why I bought the full-size mattress. Not a full-size, twin long, or extra long they call it. Twin XL. Alright, there it is. Nice clean white color. I wonder how long that'll stay. I'm not actually ready for this. My platform for my bed is not quite done, but it says on the box to go ahead and open it immediately because it takes some time, I guess, to fully expand. And so I'm not ready for it, but I'm going to go ahead and open it and lay it out here and keep working on my other stuff and just have to move it around a few times. Let's see what it does right here in this little space. It's probably going to explode or something. I don't know. Feels kind of firm, not too firm, but kind of firm. Now, I don't have any experience in buying foam for beds or anything. I just did the best that I could. You know, they sell lots of different categories of foam. This is the HD36 foam from the Foam Factory. So, you know, 4 inches should be pretty comfy. Alright, there it is. Probably going to knock the camera over. Ta-da! Alright, that's it. That's the video. There'll be more coming. Doing videos on the entire build of this cargo trailer, so if you want to know more about the foam bed, stay tuned. Like and subscribe.